Hey, it's Mark Weiss. Marketers often say that people do business with those whom they know, like, and trust. Focusing on trust for a minute, you might know that President Ronald Reagan, in referring to his negotiations with the former Soviet Union, expressed his rule of trust but verify. So here's the situation. You've known Sally, the CEO of some hospital, for years. You know, like, and trust Sally, and Sally knows, likes, and trusts you. But now, today, you're in the throes of negotiation with Sally over the terms of a contract. Say it's the contract for your group's exclusive provision of such and suchology services at Community Memorial Medical Center, the one at which Sally is hospital CEO. In fact, let's say that you're negotiating over the terms of stipend support, and you want to build in a provision for linking the amount of stipend to the cost of living. Well, Sally says that she'll gladly honor that type of agreement, but she doesn't want to put it into the document itself. I mean, after all, you can trust her. Well, no matter what your relationship is with Sally, no matter that you can absolutely trust her, you don't know whether Sally is going to still be the CEO of the hospital 2 years from now when you need the benefit of that agreement. You don't know even whether you could trust her, but the hospital board is going to say, there's no way we can do that later when she comes back to them and says, look, I made a verbal commitment to blah, blah, blah. You need to do the equivalent of trust but verify. You need to trust but document. Make sure those provisions that are agreed to in concept, the one that Sally says you can trust her to come through on at some point in the future, are documented. You can never rely on the bonds of simply business friendship. Trust but verify. That is, trust but document it.